Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Color OS version in Settings About Phone. This affects available options. Once confirmed, enable developer options only if a specific toggle is missing. Tap build number 7 times and enter your PIN. Now go straight to Settings, then Display. If your Oppo shows a direct notification bar option, open it. Otherwise, open Theme or Customizations. These initial steps let you reach the exact controls that change the notification bar color. And once in Themes or Wallpaper and Style, pick Edit or Styles to access accent and status bar settings. You can select a system accent color or enter a custom hex code for an exact hue. In some Color OS builds, there's a separate status bar background or notification bar color toggle. Adjust that. Make sure to preview changes. If the preview looks good, tap Apply or Save. If you used a custom color code, double-check contrast so icons remain visible. This process alters both color and legibility. After applying, you may need to restart System UI or reboot the phone to force the notification bar to update. This is common. If the color still won't change, open Settings App, show System App System UI, then clear cache or force stop and reopen settings. Once done, reapply the chosen theme or custom color. If problems persist, reset theme customizations to default, then repeat the steps. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most conflicts between theme engines and Color OS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.